Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll make a basic Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let me create some tasks for our chart and some dates, some random dates as well. So now let's calculate the duration of the tasks. So we're gonna do T1 minus C2. Sorry. T2 minus C2. So now our next step is highlighting the whole C column, and we need to insert our chart. So recommended charts, all charts, bar chart and stacked bar chart. This is our chart. Now we will insert the duration in the chart by right clicking in the chart. Wait. So right click in the chart, select data, and we're gonna add a series name. It's gonna be the duration, and the series value, we're gonna select all the values in our give me a second. Select all the values in column E. Perfect. We can also edit the axis labels. So edit, and we're gonna put all our tasks. Great. Okay. Perfect. So now let's click on the start date chart, format data series. The first one, fill, and we select no fill. Now we'll have to change the order of the tasks, because you can see the submission is first, and that is not right. Choose research topic should be our first task. So what I'm going to do is double click on the task section, axis options, categories in reverse order, and that's it. As you can see, now the order is right. First we're going to choose our topic, then we're going to do literature review, and the last one we submit our paper. The last thing we're going to do is clean these numbers right here. So let's select the earliest date and the last date. Select both of them, format cells, general number, perfect. Now we are going to replace the minimum number right here with the first number. So 5, 4, 5, and the same thing for the maximum. As you can see now, our Gantt chart is correct. And that's it, guys. This is a very basic Gantt chart. Thanks for watching.